close.
You flashed that, didn't you? Okay.
Yeah, I didn't see that right there.
That's because of me. It was me. Yeah, that was him. He flashed it and he flashed the light. Gunpowder State. Gunpowder Falls.
Yeah, come on, man. Sometimes you gotta get over it.
Look at those bugs against that light. Oh my god, look how many bugs are on the truck. I'm taking a picture. They're amazing. They're all amazing.
There's the light again.
Trying to think of the camera.
There's a time, remember me and you came here and saw the ice, Tyler? Okay, but we walked right into the middle of the bridge. We felt it get cold as hell. As soon as, like, right before everything died, it went from like 80 down to like 50. Just like that.
Car.
Okay, why do you go in the back?
Scoot over.
Cool, got it, fine. I'm sure with it. Why you
Who was it?
the kids? I know. Get down. Like, you're like a